In 1951, a young woman walked into the hospital with severe pain. During that visit, some of her cells were taken without her knowledge, and are still there today. Her name was Henrietta Lacks. She was born Loretta Pleasant on August 1, 1920, in Roanoke, Virginia. The pain that brought her to the hospital that day was cervical cancer. It was aggressive and fast-moving. Doctors took a biopsy of her tumor, but not just for diagnosis. They sent it to the lab, without telling her. There, something astonishing happened. Henrietta's cells, unlike any seen before, didn't die. They kept growing and growing. They were the first immortal human cells ever discovered. These cells, now known as HeLa cells, launched a revolution in science. They've been used to create vaccines, study cancer, map genes, and more. We still use them today. HeLa cells have contributed to over 70,000 studies. They helped develop the polio vaccine, and even sent to space. There are nearly 11,000 patents involving HeLa cells, but Henrietta never knew. She died months after her diagnosis, just 31 years old, buried in an unmarked grave, unaware the world owed her so much more. Her family wasn't told for over 20 years. They were left with only confusion and grief. Meanwhile, biotech companies made millions from her cells. Her story raised urgent questions. Who owns our bodies? What do we owe those who unknowingly gave the world so much? As the truth emerged, scientists and activists called for change. Today, her contributions are finally acknowledged. Institutions now honor her legacy. In 2013, her family gained limited control over HeLa research. A woman the world tried to forget became one of the most important figures in modern medicine. Henrietta's cells are still alive today, still helping, still healing. Subscribe to Daughters of Time to hear more stories of women who shaped the world in unforgettable ways.